Hello everyone, long time no videos here. And so I'm Max from WordPress Websites. Actually, I changed the name to the We. I launched a new business, but this video is not about it. Okay, I left the channel abandoned because I didn't get any feedback. I didn't get any requests. I didn't get any appreciation from the community. I got pretty much views, but no really appreciation. Yeah, but today I got the really nice email from the person Simon. Hello, Simon. Okay, I hope I pronunciate it right. Okay, that he has issues with website, with logom, and my video was helpful. I really appreciate your email because I'm trying my best. I was trying my best to make these videos to make the life of the regular people like you easier with handling the website, so they don't need to hire the professional developer. Yeah, but if you need, of course, you can contact me and hire. Yeah. Okay, so let's check the issue on this website, and I will write how to solve it and how I fixed the issue, and we will check what was the issue exactly and was the mistake. Okay, so the person wrote that he need to upload the SVG logo right here in the header, and he checked my other video and used my recommendation to by including the plugin the SVG, or is it? Here it is, SVG Support, and he found issues that WordPress is supporting SVG. You can check in gallery, but it's not appearing here. Okay, and it's pretty easy fix. So I checked in the settings right here. We found the header settings for theme just here, and we can check that a SVG version of logo is uploaded already. By the way, really awesome works here. So everybody just visit this website and like some photos or with social media. I'm not sure, but this amazing work. Okay, so we can see that SVG logo is uploaded just here, but it's not, you can see it here, but it's not showing up right here. And what can be issue? For it, we will check the cut. Of course, in the website, we need to check codes. How without it? Okay, we need to check the code, and we will find, we can see the two logo types here. Here is the light one, and here is the dark one, which is not appearing. When we hover on it, we can see right here with the box, we can see the size of the logo. It's 0 pixel width and 72 pixels height. So how to fix it? We go to image and we should write here some properties. So width 100% and the SVG logo appeared. So it just was configured as 0 width. But now we can see the sizes of logos are not consistent. So how to fix it? Let's check the original logo size in the white. It's 185 pixels. And let's update the dark one. Max width 185 pixels. So now it works very beautiful. Okay, Simon, you have the SVG logo updated. It was not difficult. I hope you understand how I did it. Yeah, so where to put the CSS? I just go to the custom CSS here, and we can see some CSS here already. I'm not sure what it does. By the way, this is not right. This symbol will create some issues. I will not touch it. And we need to put it just like this. Okay, let's put the art header class art header, and let's make it like art logo container. And I will supply this styles to both logos at the same time, so imaging. Okay, so basically I did the class art header here. I communicate with this class. After inside this class, I search this class, so art logo container, and inside art logo container, I search for all image tags. So this image and this image tag. And now I need to put my CSS properties right inside the images. Okay, inside the CSS. Let's save it and let's check how it works. Should be good. I hope so. Let's refresh the page. Before was like this. And let's refresh it. Okay, let's wait. I like to refresh pages. Okay, and Simon, you has the SVG logos you have. Amazing. I hope on mobile version it works also. Let's check. Yeah, works good. Okay, so what you should do is you can adjust the max width right here. So if you want both logos to be bigger, you should do just like 200 pixels max width, but it will be like width 100%. It means the logo will take 100% of maximum space, and max width is the maximum available space you defined for the logo image. So let's try to remove it, and okay, let's try to make it like this. Refresh the page and see how it works like. Okay, works good. So if you will want to make the logo bigger, just change these pixels or smaller, 85. I will leave it right here. It's this one. Okay, I click save. To update the white logo, you should go to the general, select media, and select here the white version of logo. I don't have it here. So once you upload it here, you will be able to fix the white logo also. Okay, I hope this video was helpful for you. Don't forget to leave some donations, subscribe, and advise my channel to everyone who knows. Like, you can walk on the street and scream, "Hey, visit my channel." Okay, have a nice day and hope it was useful for you. Thanks.